In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through the essential host controls in Google Meet so you can run smooth, secure meetings without surprises. Start by opening Google Meet and joining your meeting. Once you're in, look for the Host Controls icon near the bottom of the screen. This opens the panel that lets you manage what participants can do. At the top of this panel, you'll see Host Management. Turning this on enables a set of safety and participation toggles all at once. Think of it as your master switch for meeting discipline. When it's on, you can fine-tune each permission below. Next, Review. Share their screen. Turn this off when you want to prevent screen sharing and keep the focus on your presentation. You can always switch it back on if you're ready to hand the mic and the screen over to someone else. Move to Send Reactions. Disabling reactions removes emojis and other quick responses, which helps reduce distraction in large or formal sessions. Check. Turn on their microphone. When this is off, participants can't unmute themselves without permission. This is great for lectures or webinars where background noise can derail the flow. If you need quick interaction, toggle it back on temporarily. If you see highlight in this panel, select it to draw focus to the active controls or speaker view, depending on your interface. It's a handy way to keep attention where you need it. Now Review. Turn on their video. Turning this off stops participants from enabling their cameras, which can preserve bandwidth and keep attention on shared content. Look for participants Send Messages. Switching this off disables the chat, useful when you want everyone focused on voice or slides. For meeting access, there's Host Must Join Before Anyone Else. Enable this if you want to be the first person in the room next time, which prevents early arrivals from gathering without you. You'll also see access levels. Open allows anyone with the link to join, which is best for public sessions. Trusted restricts entry to invited users signed into their Google accounts, giving you tighter control over who gets in. Finally, if you need to remove all restrictions you set, toggle Host Management off. Confirm by choosing Turn it off. This reverts the panel and lifts the limits you applied in one go. That's it. Use these controls to balance openness and order, and switch them as your meeting needs change. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.